Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to create a React project by using Vite. Before we get started, you have to make sure if you have installed Node.js on your computer by right-click, open in terminal, and then type node-v. If it shows the version number of Node.js like this, that means you've successfully installed Node.js on your computer. If you don't have Node.js on your computer, I recommend you download Node.js from its official website, and I recommend you install the long-term support version. So in 2023, the best way to create React application is to use Vite. Okay, you go to Vite website like this, and then you go to Get Started, and you scroll down. It will tell you how to use Vite. See, you open terminal and then type npm create Vite at latest. You can copy this one and then right click over here, open in terminal, and then paste the command over here, npm create Vite at latest. And it will ask you, do you want to proceed? I type yes. And the project's name we are going to name is React Project. It will ask you whether you need vanilla project, Vue, React. Over here, I'm going to choose React. And then it's going to ask you whether you need to use TypeScript or JavaScript. I'm going to pick JavaScript over here. Hit enter. And then we are going to have a folder React projects over here. Let's open this folder with Visual Studio Code. And then open terminal over here, new terminal. You see the next step that we are going to do from the terminal over here is tell you to go into the folder. See, our terminal are in React project right now. So the next command that we have to run is install and then run dev. npm install. So it's going to download a package that's used for React and install it in this folder. You will see the node underscore module folder has been created over here. Okay, the next step is to run our application. In order to run our application, you have to execute this command, npm run dev. And every time you want to run your project, you need to type npm run dev. And this is the URL of our application. You can press Ctrl and click on the link. It will run the application here. For example, if you go to source and then you go to index, and then you go to app.jsx, you can remove this div. You can remove all of this, and then you can create a div over here, and then you can create h1 and then hello my first React app. Save. It will automatically compile and reload the application for you. See, hello my first React app. Alright, this is all about this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and comment down below.